Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday morning makes. Oh, I'm so happy it's the weekend. Does anyone else just feel totally joyful when you get to your weekends? Oh my goodness, I think Saturdays are my favorite because I allow myself some time to relax and create. And I usually go out and enjoy a walk and play in my garden for a while. And then, of course, I have to do all the chores, housework and laundry and dishes and all those things. But I always enjoy my Saturday mornings. For me, they're a time to just take some time for myself after an extremely hectic week. So I'm very happy to be with you today. I'm actually going to do an additional video, I hope to, later on Saturday with my Saturday morning makes, but I'm coming on now. I'm filming Friday night to share the Lily of the Valley stamp release. I had hoped to get a lot done this week, but we had some stuff happen in our family this week and I was pulled away. So I only had tonight to really sit down and create for this release. I also had some glitches with printing and stuff. But anyway, I wanted to come on and at least do a kickoff for the Lily of the Valley release. So I'm going to show you the stamp sets and then I'll show you my projects and what I use to create these. So I want to remind everybody that when I share a Lily of the Valley release, generally speaking, I am working with digital stamps. These are offered for sale in polymer, but because Lily of the Valley is in the UK, they send me digitals. It's just easier with the mail issues and everything. It's just quicker for me to have more time to create if they send the digitals to me. So I actually printed these off in 2 sizes. I shrunk them down a little bit so that I can make some smaller Christmas tags with these adorable images. And then I also printed them at what I believe to be almost actual size. But I want to refer you to their website where you can look at the information about each stamp set, and it will give you information about the sizes of the stamps themselves if you're going to order the A5 polymer, okay? Right now, because of the art that's part of this, I believe these are only offered in polymer. Again, I'm a designer and I'm working with the digital in order to promote the products for sale. So I just want to make that clear. And let me go ahead and go through and show you the sets, okay? The first one is a Halloween set, and it's called LOTV, so Lily of the Valley, Creepy But Cute. And it is a series of little witches and bats. And it's got a little mouse in it too. Down here, the mouse is inside of a pumpkin. It's got a lollipop, and there's a little frog on his head. Here you can see this little bat, and it's sitting on top of a little skull. There's a spider and a little ghosty, and it's got a pumpkin on its head. And then up here we have some witches. This witch has got a little bat on her head, and she's got her broom and a little pumpkin. So each one of these images is so cute. I love the upside down bat on this one and how her pumpkin is hanging, or cauldron is hanging off the edge. And you could really probably color that either way. Just add some lines and make it a pumpkin, or you can leave it as a cauldron. And then you have this one. She's holding a little, it looks like a little bear to me, or a little, could be a raccoon or a one-eyed, I think it's a bear. And then that's a little broom she's holding and her little hat. And this is one that I colored. I have it sitting on my desk out there, but I haven't made a project with it yet. And this is a little bunny rabbit witch. And she's got a little star wand in her hand, and she's carrying her little pumpkin all ready for trick-or-treating. And then we have a sentiment, creepy but cute. And then you have this little witch riding her broom. She has a little cat in back of her. So just adorable. And then you're back at the mouse. So that one's called LOTV, Creepy But Cute. And it also has Woo-wee and Happy Halloween for sentiments, along with the Creepy But Cute. So that is Creepy But Cute. I love that set. It's just adorable. Then this is the one that I made my projects with for tonight. And this one is LOTV, Festive Mice and Bears. And these are the cutest little mice and bears you've ever seen. I definitely used this one on my project. This little mouse is holding a ginger in his hands, and it's dressed in star-studded pajamas. And this one is a little girl mouse with a bow in her hair, and she's holding a wreath. And then we have a little... this little mouse is holding, I think, a gourd or a pumpkin. This one's holding a present, and it's a little bear, and it's a little girl bear. And then we go back upside down here. This one's holding a mug of hot cocoa or coffee, and all dressed up for winter with this cute winter hat. Here's one holding a present also, and is wearing a cute little scarf and hat. Then we have this one, and I colored this one also. And this is a little bear all dressed up for bed with a nightcap and in these star-studded pajamas and holding a letter to Santa. And then we have this little guy holding a little star balloon or wand, depending on how you want to think about it. Here's a little sweater all with Christmas trees on it, and this little bear is holding a wreath. We have Merry Christmas, Christmas wishes, this adorable little angel. I also have this one on my desk to color, and I think we get back to the beginning here. So these are all of the festive mice and bears. So, and these again are A5 polymer sets available at Lili of the Valley. You can go to the LOTV Digi shop on Etsy, but if you just go to any search browser and type in Lili of the Valley stamps, you will see their site come up, and their site is done through Etsy here in the US. Okay, and this is the LOTV snowmen, and you have this cute little 4 snowmen. Those are just adorable. I love this one that's peeking around the wall. I want to make a card with that one. And if you go to their Facebook page for Lili of the Valley, you'll see samples of a lot of the cards that their design team has made over in the UK and around the world. And anyway, these are just such cute little snowmen. There's a snowman couple there. This little snowman, the hat is kind of tipped over its head and it has a big old scarf on. And then this one is waving hello, it looks like. And then you have 2 more that are peeking. So you could definitely make a card where all of these peeking snowmen are involved. There's this one, this one, this one, and this one. So that again is LOTV snowmen, okay? And that one doesn't have sentiments. And then we have LOTV penguins and reindeer. And I have one of these on my desk to color, and it's the reindeer right here holding the gingerbread. But all of these are so cute. They each one has different little presents or different things. Wool, you know, little coat and hat. Let's see. Here's one just hanging out, it looks like. I love this one with the earmuffs. So just cute little ones. Look at this reindeer with its scarf on. So, and then this one's in striped pajamas with a little star. I want to do this one too. And this one is a moose, I think. It could be a deer too. I think it's either one. But anyway, they're just all so cute. Look at this one with the stocking. And this one popping out of the present is adorable too. I would like to blow these ones up bigger because I just think the images are so, so sweet. So that's LOTV penguins and reindeer. Then we have the LOTV Advent characters. So Lili of the Valley Advent characters. And these also would be so cute on just some little round tags. You just stamp this on and color it, put a little string through the round tag, and do a to and from on the back, and you have wonderful, easy gift tags. But specifically, this is made for Advent calendars, and along with it, they also are doing the LOTV Advent numbers. And I love these thick numbers like this because they're easy to color whatever color you want, and they can also be paper pieced if you want to paper piece them. And they did add a little calendar page where you can put the number in if you want to, and make your little Advent calendars. So I love all of the little images for these. I just think they're so sweet. There's a little bear. There's Santa winking. There's the stocking with a little bear sticking out of the top. There's a kitty cat here. The cute little snowman. I love this patch on its hat. You have this cute little reindeer. And then you come down here, you have a penguin with this adorable hat, Santa with his eyes covered, a little elf, you have a little puppy dog, and a little bunny rabbit, and then this adorable little angel image. So I can't wait to use these to make some cute little round tags. That's what I plan on doing with them. But again, the numbers and the characters are meant for Advent calendars. And then we have the LOTV Large Christmas Words and the LOTV Large Christmas Sentiments. And these 2 sets are wonderful, wonderful sentiments that you can color or paper piece if you want. I will probably color them. And I've had sets, you know, we have lots of word dyes that we use. And what's nice about this is you can color the word to match the coloring that you're doing of the images that you're using. So this is just wonderful. And then they have some matching smaller sentiment words to go with the bigger words. So if you want to say Merry Christmas, You know, you can do it with a small word or with the big words. Okay, so those, you've got Let It Snow, Ho Ho Ho, Cool Yule, Winter Wishes, Jingle Bells, Merry Christmas, and this one has Wishes, Noel, Season's Greetings, Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas. So just wonderful, wonderful sentiments. Okay, so that is all of the sets. And then I'll show you how I made my tags. I'm going to show you the products I used really quick. I used this IODies Die 836V tag with tags. This is a wonderful die set. I use this Paper Tray Ink Snowflake die set. I can't remember the name of this, but this is many years old, but it may still be available at Paper Tray Ink. I used 2 different stamp sets from My Creative Time. I used the Sweet Holiday Wishes MCT 388, and then I also used this one, which is It's Cookie Season, and this one is MCT 392. And specifically, I used the to and from in this set. So there's a to and a from. And then in this set, I used Wishing You a Merry Little Christmas. I love this sentiment. And I think I also used Sweet Holiday Wishes, but I don't think I ended up using that tag. I ended up using the ones that say Wishing You a Merry Little Christmas. And then I also used the Bunch of Fun Circle dies from My Creative Time. This makes wonderful circle cards, but I specifically was just using this circle die that is included with the set. And these are the tags that I was able to make. You can see how cute these little images are. Now, I cut these ones out with a little bit of a white border because Layla, when she does the images so sweetly, they have these little lines that stick out. And I wanted those lines to show this time. So I just did a little tiny white border as if this is a piece of ephemera, okay? And I stuck it against these beautiful fancy flake dies from Paper Tray Ink. I did add some Diamond Stickles glitter to it, and that's why I haven't added a bow or bells to these yet, because these are still drying. I just finished making them. But you can see the beautiful die set from IODies has this little stitched half moon pattern around the outside of the circle. Then I layered this turquoise snowflake patterned paper circle on top of it. And this pattern is from Snow and Cocoa, okay? I own the digital of Snow and Cocoa from AC Digitals, and that turquoise paper is a Snow and Cocoa paper. And then this is just a red and white gingham, and it is it's on a piece of chipboard, okay? So this is what that the die from IO looks like. It's got these wonderful little half moons all the way around it. It's so cute, and then it has the tie at the top. So I did that, and then this is the little heart that comes in the die set. So with that circle comes this die. And I just stamped Wishing You a Merry Little Christmas, and then on the back, I used that same paper from Snow and Cocoa and did a to and from on the tag. Okay, and that's all I've done so far. I think I'm going to add a little bow to these or some bells or something to finish them off. But again, they have to finish drying. They're still wet. And then here's the little mouse. This one is colored as a girl, and I think I might add a little bow to her hair, but I haven't done it yet, again, because I'm waiting for the stickles to dry. But again, I cut this out like a piece of ephemera. There's a little white border. This one has the to and from on one side, and then the Wishing You a Merry Little Christmas on the other. And again, these are layered with chipboard in between the 2 pieces of pattern paper, so they're very, very sturdy. And the same with this one, it's a chipboard. And you could cover, I'll show you on the last one, I covered the chipboard. If you want it to look prettier on the back, on this one, I put pattern paper on the back. So there's pattern paper, chipboard, and then more pattern paper on the front. So you could do it either way. I don't mind the bare chipboard, because then if they want to write on the back and use this as a tag, they have a blank space to do that. So it just depends on what you want to do and how you want to make them. But I did like how this turns out. Now, I didn't put a to and from on the back of this one. You could just leave it plain, and that way they can write whatever they want on there. But I do have the sentiment on the front. And it's very easy to just attach a little jump ring with a bell on here too. And I'll probably do that tomorrow once these are completely dry overnight, okay? And on this one, I did put a little bit of the diamond stickles also on the little ginger. So his ginger frosting is sparkling also. But these are such sweet images. I love how Layla and Lisa designed these adorable little critters. And I just think these sets turned out so, so cute. I cannot wait to work with more of them. And I do want to make some smaller tags using that Advent set because those little faces are so cute. So I hope you enjoyed seeing these projects today. These are my Saturday morning makes for the Lily of the Valley release. But I will be coming back later, hopefully this weekend. I hope to come back and do one more video. But while I have you guys, I just wanted to mention that the Greeting Farm through August 7th has a free birthday Digi that they're giving away. And I printed it in a bigger size to make big tags. And then I printed it in card size to make some cards with. And Oranjetta, my friend Cynthia, she has a card up on her channel showing the image all colored up, if you haven't seen that yet. And the set, when you download it from the Greeting Farm site, you're just going to purchase it like a regular purchase, but the charge is $0 because it's free. And you're going to also get this happy birthday sentiment. And I loaded it into Word after talking with my friend Susan because I was having some problems with it printing out just a black square. And so I copied the sentiment into Word, and then I changed the sizes. I printed it in 3 different sizes, from small to bigger. And I just made a whole page of this sentiment to print out to go with all of the printed images that I made. So I have all of these to work with, but it's only free through August 7th. So I just wanted to mention it to you so that those of you that are interested, you can go and download this adorable little birthday Anya with her happy birthday to you sentiment. Okay, so the Lily of the Valley stamps, again, go to their website, Lily of the Valley Stamps, and just type it in any browser. It'll take you right to their site, or you can go to Etsy and type in LOTV Digi Shop. Okay, again, these are offered in polymer. I believe Lisa has them on sale right now. I haven't gone to the site yet to look to confirm for sure, but I am going to email her tonight as soon as I get this video uploaded and let her know that I am posting the video today. So I will let you know if I hear back from her about any sales. But go ahead and go to the site and you'll be able to see what the prices are and the way it's listed and whether it's on sale or not. But again, I just think these images are absolutely adorable. The little bears, the little mice, the Halloween set. Oh my goodness, so many fun things. So these are my little Saturday morning makes. And again, I do have some other things I want to share this weekend. If everything goes according to plan, hopefully I'll be able to do that. But if you don't see me, it's just because the weekend got away from me and I had too many chores and other things to do. So thank you guys for taking a look and have a wonderful Saturday. I can't wait to see what everybody is creating. I actually have already watched a couple videos. Katie Ann Designs put up another new stamp that she drew, and she's getting ready to open her Etsy shop. So go check out Kate on her channel. And who else did I see? I think a few people over on Instagram started posting cards too. And I'm looking forward again to just going out and seeing everything. So thank you guys so much for making Saturday morning makes so much fun for all of us. I love this wonderful community. I send my best out to everybody. And Susan, I got some happy mail from you, and I'm hoping to share that this weekend too. All right, everybody. God bless you. Take good care. All right. Bye now.